Flood damage is a costly problem for homeowners, and as a result of Hurricane Sandy and Katrina, the National Flood Insurance Program raised its premiums in order to cover its debt of $24 billion. For the next few minutes, we'll discuss a bill that will help keep flood insurance affordable for all homeowners. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Robert Trainum, and I'm joined by Congressman Gus Bilirakis, Republican from Florida. Congressman, welcome to the program.
Oh, it's great to be here.
So just so that we all understand, if you live in a floodplain, flood insurance is mandatory if you finance your home, correct?
Correct.
And so there's no option. And so what a lot of homeowners are probably, they're squeezed, right? Because the economy is limping along. They see their flood insurance premiums rising, and there's nothing that they can do about it. So you've introduced a bill to help this problem?
Absolutely. And the rates are astronomical, Robert. And we introduced a particular bill, and what it will do is value the structure of the home, or fair market value, based on the last sale. Okay, and we divide it by 30 because an average mortgage is 30 years. And then we phase the rate increases in over 10 years. So they're manageable. And then I'll also give the homeowners an opportunity to pay on a monthly basis as opposed to an annual basis.
And what do you say to the National Flood Insurance Agency, a bureaucracy that kind of has to make money in order to pay out future claims? They're saying, well, wait a minute. As I mentioned, $24 billion. We have to find that revenue from somewhere. We can't raise taxes. That's obviously Congress's responsibility. How do you mitigate both sides here?
I think this is a little bit of a compromise because we are paying the rates, obviously, and there's still a subsidy in there. And we phase that subsidy out over 10 years. So it's manageable and it's affordable. So folks are contributing. And this way we get rid of that $24 billion deficit.
And Congressman, as you know, everything needs bipartisan support in the House, that's Republican controlled, and also in the Senate, that's Democratically controlled. What is the likelihood that your Democratic colleagues in the House, but also in the Senate, and a Democratic president would sign this into law?
Well, I do have a prime co-sponsor that's a Democrat. Again, we have to come up with a solution. And I mean, this is not good for our constituents at all. All over, in Florida, but the coastal regions, in the Midwest, it's affecting everyone.
Congressman, it's funny.
It's devastating, it really is.
I was going to mention that because obviously all politics is also parochial. I understand you representing Florida, This is a big deal. Individuals representing North Carolina, South Carolina, New Jersey, this is a big deal. But what do you say to the congressperson that says, look, I represent New York, or I represent Kansas. I don't deal with floods as much as you do, so I'm going to vote against it.
They deal with the disasters and floods. In New York, of course, Sandy, where it's done all over. So there are natural disasters all over. And again, this is a good solution. Now, we do have a working group, and we do work on a bipartisan fashion, and that's why I think we're going to solve this issue. I think my bill is a good solution, but I'm very open-minded. And we're in this together, and we've got to solve this.
So, Congressman, of course, to the homeowner that's watching this program that obviously has flood insurance, specifically in your district, they're probably saying, when can we get relief? We're being squeezed literally between a rock and a hard place. Is this something that you think can be enacted sometime this year in 2014, or would it be most likely in 2015?
No, I think we're going to get something enacted in 2014. As a matter of fact, in the omnibus budget, there is a provision that will help those homeowners to get some relief, some temporary relief until 2015. Those homeowners that their homes have been remapped by FEMA. So that will happen very soon. But we must have a solution to this problem to create some certainty for our homeowners.
Absolutely. We have about 10 seconds left. Very quickly, Congressman, for the person that would like some more information about this bill, where can they go?
Well, they can go to contact my office, okay, and we'll get that information to them.
All right. Thank you very much, Congressman.
Thank you very much.
And, of course, thank you for joining us for this edition of Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Robert Trainum. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.